Every jar of peanut butter begins long before the factory, and here in the fields. Hidden beneath the soil, the harvest waits. Modern farms harvest peanuts with powerful mechanical lifters. The plants are lifted carefully, protecting the peanuts. They are laid out to dry naturally under the sun. This drying stage prepares peanuts for separation. Farmers test moisture to ensure the perfect harvest moment. Then the combines arrive. Machines separate peanuts from the vines. Thousands of peanuts begin their journey. The harvest is transferred to transport trailers. Every load brings tons of peanuts. Now the crop leaves the field. Before reaching the factory, peanuts are stabilized. The first step in the supply chain begins. From field to system, the process is now underway. Controlled drying prepares peanuts for processing. Next stop, the peanut butter factory. Now the harvest begins its journey to the factory. Tons of peanuts travel carefully across the countryside. Each day, factories receive harvests from many farms. Ahead stands the heart of peanut butter production. Every delivery passes through strict intake control.
Gate clear, proceed. Copy, side is secure.
Quality monitoring begins before unloading. A modern factory runs like a coordinated machine. Each load is recorded before processing begins. Technicians inspect the harvest for purity and moisture. Samples are taken for quick testing. Only approved peanuts enter the factory system.
Cleared for unloading!
The factory prepares to receive the harvest. This is where the peanuts enter the industrial flow. Precision positioning ensures efficient unloading. Now gravity takes over. Tons of peanuts enter the factory every hour. From this moment, machines guide the entire process. From this moment, machines guide the entire process. Next, the peanuts begin their transformation. Inside the factory, automation takes control of the harvest. A network of conveyors moves peanuts across the plant. Temporary silos balance supply for the processing lines. Operators control the flow with precise monitoring systems. The peanuts now begin their first processing stage. Before roasting, peanuts must be carefully cleaned. The first machines remove dirt from the harvest. Air systems keep the line clean and efficient. Safety systems remove any unwanted material. Airflow separates light impurities from the crop. Human inspection adds an extra layer of control. Next comes a deep cleaning stage. Water washes away the final traces of soil. Now the peanuts are ready for transformation. Next, heat unlocks the flavor. The roasting stage begins the transformation. Heat unlocks the rich oils inside every peanut. Precise temperature creates the perfect roast. The aroma of roasting fills the factory. Cooling preserves flavor and texture. Airflow stabilizes the roasted peanuts. Machines break shells and separate kernels. Vibration separates shell from kernel. Airflow removes the final shell fragments. The thin peanut skin is gently removed. Only the pure kernels remain. Human inspection ensures the highest quality. Advanced sensors inspect every peanut. Only the best peanuts move forward. Now the peanuts are ready for transformation.
The grinding stage awaits.
Controlled feeding ensures smooth processing.
Next, the peanuts become peanut butter.
Now the peanuts begin their transformation into butter. Powerful rollers break the kernels apart. Natural oils begin to release. A second grind refines the texture. The first peanut paste appears. Pumps move the paste deeper into the factory. Now the recipe begins to form. Salt enhances the peanut's natural flavor. Stabilizers ensure perfect texture. Slow mixing creates a consistent blend. Next, pressure smooths the texture. This step creates the creamy consistency. Now the peanut butter is nearly complete. Temperature control keeps the butter smooth. From here, the butter moves to finishing lines. Filtration refines the final texture. Now it is ready to meet the jars. Next, the packaging begins. Now the peanut butter meets its container. Precision machines ensure accurate filling. Every jar receives the perfect amount. The surface is leveled for sealing. Caps arrive automatically from overhead feeders. Automation keeps production flowing. Each jar is sealed for freshness. Air jets clean every container. Branding comes next. Each jar receives its identity. Traceability ensures product safety. Advanced cameras monitor every jar. Any defect is removed instantly. Digital records track every shipment.
Robots handle the heavy lifting.
Packaging protects the product.
The finished jars prepare for shipment.
Automation organizes production at incredible speed. Each layer is aligned with perfect precision.
From production line to storage.
Protective wrapping secures the shipment.
Now the peanut butter leaves the warehouse.
Every pallet is digitally tracked. Smart routing organizes inventory instantly. Autonomous vehicles move goods without drivers. Logistics systems guide every movement. Modern factories store thousands of pallets.
Robotic cranes manage the inventory.
Each pallet waits for its journey to stores. A central system controls the entire facility.
Orders trigger the next movement.
The shipment returns to the ground.
Now the peanut butter leaves the warehouse.
This one's clear.
Logistics teams prepare the delivery.
Ready for pickup.
Final transport begins here. The factory prepares its final shipment.
Shipment loading continues with precise coordination. Every pallet is verified before departure. Digital records track every shipment. Jars are organized for packaging.
Quality control continues even at dispatch.
Logistics teams maintain a constant flow. Each truck becomes a moving warehouse. Space is used with maximum efficiency. Automation keeps the supply constant. Precision logistics powers modern distribution. Safety comes before departure. Every shipment carries full traceability. The journey to stores begins here. The factory's work moves onto the road.
All right, let's roll.
Thousands of jars leave the facility every day.
From raw harvest to finished product.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
Soon, these jars will reach kitchens everywhere. Behind every jar lies a system of precision. Before reaching consumers, every batch is tested. Samples are logged and tracked digitally. Traceability begins with accurate records. Food safety is verified at microscopic levels. Every batch must pass strict safety standards.
Smooth with a subtle roasted note.
I agree. Very consistent.
Balanced aftertaste.
Color reveals roasting consistency. Seal strength protects freshness. Packaging must survive transport. Only approved batches leave the facility. Documentation follows every pallet. Quality control clears the shipment.
The product is ready for the world.
Distribution begins. The final step approaches. The shipment is sealed and ready for departure. Every journey begins at the loading dock. Thousands more jars wait in storage. Distribution. Distribution never stops. The factory sends shipments across the country. Together, these trucks carry the harvest to millions. Behind them lies an incredible industrial process. The final stage begins. Soon these jars will reach kitchens everywhere. From farms to factories to families. The final destination awaits. From factory to store shelf.
Ready for customers to enjoy.
A simple jar with a complex journey. Behind every product stands human dedication.
And this is how modern factories produce peanut butter from start to finish.
An incredible journey from soil to shelf. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.